Hey, my name's Alex and I made this music video. Zebra is a song by the artist Alec Hudson and features the rapper Cliff Notes. The video is filled with these special effects scenes where Alec and Cliff seamlessly pass through chunks of time. The film won many awards, including being nominated Best Music Video at the Boston Music Awards. It took 10 months to make this video, and it was done with zero budget. And here, I'm going to show you guys how I made the video. Since this is going to be kind of a long video, I put timecode links in the description below so you can jump around to different chapters. Let's go.
So that is the first 45 seconds of a 70-minute video that goes fully in depth in the process of making an award-winning music video for $0. In the video, I cover everything from the pre-production process to equipment, filming, the post-production workflows, and even do some real deep dives to explain complex concepts like camera tracking, mocha tracking, time displacement, and making VFX for 360. In this video, you'll learn my entire process from beginning to end, and it's full of tips and tricks and even really important recent updates to After Effects. And you can watch this whole video for only $4. Yeah, my Patreon right now is only $4, and not only do you get to watch this video, you also get early access to all my tutorials, you can download my custom assets, and most importantly, you can join my Discord where my first 100 patrons get to ask me anything. And I will answer, I mean anything. And if you need more serious help, I also offer one-on-one live video sessions where I can help you out with your projects, give you lessons on anything, and being a patron gives you a huge discount on that. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for your patronage. Thanks for being a patron. Who says patronage?